What is up, everyone? John Flores here, and for today's episode, I'm gonna teach you how to make some tuna sisig. Let's go. Intro. So before we start, if cooking is your thing, if you want to learn how to cook, please hit that subscribe button right now. And of course, ring that bell para wala kayong ma-miss na upload ko. Let's proceed. Oh yeah, follow me on Instagram and like my Facebook page. Let's proceed for real. So for today's episode, this is gonna be a part of my 5-minute dish. This is gonna be a part of my 5-minute dish series, and of course our canned goods series, since we're still under quarantine, so might as well just be more creative when it comes to our canned goods. So if you're bored and you have this at home, give it a try, man. It is so good. Game. So that is it for this episode, everyone. I hope you had fun. I hope you will try that at home. I hope you found that interesting. So might as well, diba? Kesa naman just open your canned goods tapos cook it, or never mind cooking it. Sometimes wala lang, open canned goods, put it to your rice and then eat. So might as well, if you're looking for a healthier version, I guess, of sisig, try this recipe. Okay, again, the recipe is down below, and I have a playlist at the end screen that you can click, and the link will be also down below para makita nyo yung mga canned goods series natin and 5 minutes dishes natin. Alright, so that is it. God bless. Peace.